Hi, I'm Marlon and this is Bachelor on a Budget, and I'm here with Sisley of The Pure Life. What are we making today?
We are making 4 delicious vegetable-based smoothies, and I'm so excited. So we're making a healthy orange Julius smoothie with carrot.
Yum.
And then we're making a chocolate zucchini shake, an avocado lassi, and a cauliflower blueberry smoothie.
So not your traditional vegetable smoothies.
Exactly.
Okay. Did they taste good?
They taste delicious.
Okay.
We'll find out.
Okay. Let's get started. What do we got first?
Okay, first up we have a healthy orange Julius with carrot. So we're going to start with 1 small orange.
Okay.
And oranges are packed with vitamin C, so great for immune system. Okay, so next up we have our not so secret vegetable ingredient, carrots, which are packed with vitamin A.
It's 2 small carrots?
2 small carrots around there, yeah. Then we are going to add 1 ripe banana.
Can we use frozen banana on this?
You can definitely use frozen banana, totally up to you. Gives it a really nice sweet taste. Then we're going to add a cup of coconut milk. Coconut milk is packed with healthy fats. It's going to keep you satiated all morning long.
Nice.
That looks so good. And then we've got our beautiful anti-inflammatory powerhouses here. We've got ginger and turmeric. So you can use fresh or dried ginger or turmeric, about a 1/4 teaspoon dried and a teaspoon to a tablespoon fresh, depending on how zesty you like it.
It smells pretty zesty.
Yeah. And last but not least, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, or just a little splash of pure vanilla extract. Beautiful.
Hopefully not too much.
And that's going to really sweeten up the healthy orange Julius for us here. And then we're going to blend it on high for a few minutes until it gets really creamy.
I'll let you handle the blender.
Okay, we're going to do that. Beautiful. Okay, good to go.
Looks good.
Okay.
These look delicious.
Yes.
We're gonna taste them after.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Cheers.
We added some ice to this.
Yeah.
What else can you add to these?
So you could blend up some frozen pineapple. That would be really delicious. Or yeah, blend in some ice to make it more of like a thick, creamy smoothie.
And orange Julius often have like lots of different flavors, so you can add like different berries.
Totally. Yeah. Mix it up. Go to town. Yeah.
Okay, let's put those away.
Okay.
What do we make next?
Next, we are making a delicious chocolate zucchini shake.
Yum.
So we're starting off with banana to make it really sweet.
Okay.
You can use fresh or frozen banana, and that's about 1 banana. And then next, we're going to use about 1/2 cup of grated zucchini. This is our hidden vegetable. Beautiful. And you can use that fresh or frozen as well, whatever you prefer.
So this isn't gonna come out green?
No, it's actually going to come out like a chocolate color.
Cool.
You'll see. And it makes it really creamy. So we're using 2 medjool dates. Medjool dates are packed with nutrients and they're the creamiest dates. They're super, super sweet. And then we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of raw cacao powder. And raw cacao powder is packed with magnesium and iron, and it's the purest form of chocolate, so it's actually a healthy chocolate. So next we're adding a pinch of cinnamon, and cinnamon is really great for blood sugar balancing, and it's going to add a little bit of sweetness as well.
Okay.
And then we're adding 1 cup of almond milk. Today we're using a homemade almond milk because it's just packed with way more nutrients, and it's going to make the smoothie really creamy, but you can use any kind of non-dairy milk. Ice is very crucial because we want it to taste like a milkshake. So we're going to add about 5 or 6 ice cubes, get it really frozen. 1 more. Okay.
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 Release. What's next?
Next, we are making an avocado lassi, a fun take on a traditional lassi.
Sounds great.
Okay, so first we're going to start with about 1 cup of frozen pineapple.
Can you use regular pineapple?
You can use regular pineapple too. Just adds a really nice creaminess to it. And then we're adding a whole large ripe avocado.
My favorite fruit or vegetable.
Fruit or vegetable, whatever
classify
you
it as.
prefer. That's going to make it really, really creamy, packed with healthy fats. Will keep you nice and full for the morning.
We're calling it a vegetable in this one.
Yes, that's a vegetable.
What next?
Okay, next we've got 1 whole lime. It's going to give it some zest.
Wow, you peeled that nicely.
Thank you. And limes are also packed with vitamin C, so a great addition to any smoothie. And then we're going to add a cup of full-fat coconut milk. going to make it really creamy.
Nice and rich.
Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, next we're going to add a pinch of cardamom.
Okay.
This is going to give it a very unique flavor.
I always thought it was cardamom.
Cardamom? Cardamom. Cardamom.
Do they have cardamom?
And then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Again, just to sweeten. And you want to make sure you're getting like a really good quality vanilla to get that really good taste.
I got this from Mexico,
there
so
you
I'm
go.
gonna assume
you're good to go. And then a couple of ice cubes. I'm just gonna pass these to you.
I'll let you throw them.
Thank you. Okay.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
We're gonna blend her up. Okay, so this next smoothie is one of my favorite breakfast smoothies.
Breakfast smoothies, okay.
Yeah, it's really delicious. It's called a blueberry cauliflower smoothie.
Cauliflower?
Yes.
What are we doing with cauliflower in this
You'll
smoothie?
see. You'll
Okay.
like it, I promise.
Okay.
So we're going to start with 1 cup of frozen blueberries. And blueberries are super high in antioxidants. And then we're going to add about 1/2 cup of frozen cauliflower. We bought ours pre-frozen today, but you can also just like freeze your own. And that's our secret vegetable for today.
Do you have to use frozen?
You could use non-frozen, but I think it just blends nicer in the smoothie when it's frozen.
Got it.
And then we're going to add about 1/2 of a banana. You can add a full one if you want it extra sweet. Beautiful. And then we're going to add a whole 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond butter, getting in those really good healthy fats. It's going to make the smoothie really creamy.
Mm.
Do you like almond butter?
Yeah, I mean, I often will put peanut butter in smoothies.
Oh, yum. Peanut butter would be good here too.
Yeah, great way to cover up like a lot of spinach flavor.
Totally. I feel you. And then another pinch of cinnamon. Can't go wrong with cinnamon in any smoothie. Beautiful. And then last but not least, we're going to add a tablespoon of these hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a great source of omega-3s, super anti-inflammatory, great source of healthy fats.
Thank you, Manitoba Harvest, for hooking us up with some.
My favorite kind. It's already looking so good. And then we're going to add a cup of homemade almond milk. And again, this homemade almond milk is just going to make it super creamy.
Do you have a recipe on your blog?
I do have a recipe on my
Okay,
blog.
we'll link it in the description.
And it's actually really easy to make.
I'm spilling everywhere, all over your blender.
Okay, and then we're just going to blend it up.
Okay, time to taste these.
Okay, cheers.
About time.
So this is the healthy orange Julius smoothie.
Okay.
Mmm.
That's delicious.
Mm-hmm. It's creamy.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Totally, and very unique. I love the like exotic flavors of the subtle taste of the turmeric.
I agree. It's like a modified version of an old childhood favorite.
Very nice.
Good.
Saving that for the recipe book. Cheers.
Mmm. Yes.
Delicious.
So good.
You can't even tell there's zucchini in there. It's like drinking a protein shake.
Yes.
I wonder if you
love
could
it.
put protein powder in it.
You could totally put protein powder in here. I love you. Can't even taste the zucchini.
Delicious.
Mm.
Next we have the avocado, what was it?
Avocado Lassi.
Avocado Lassi.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Wow.
Very different. Exotic.
Mm-hmm.
Citrusy.
Zesty. Yeah.
Zesty. Very zesty. But creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
So you could add like some yogurt to here, for example. That would be really good. Or some frozen mango if you wanted to mix it up.
Right, we made these plant-based though.
Yeah, they are plant-based. So you could use like a coconut yogurt.
Oh yeah, I forgot that exists.
Last but not least, almond blueberry cauliflower smoothie.
Cauliflower, I don't know.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Mmm. Yeah.
Delicious.
Right? You can't even taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. So good.
I love the nuttiness of the almond
Yeah, you
butter.
can taste the almond butter. Really creamy. Mm.
These are all great and so nutritious.
Mm-hmm. So healthy. So good.
It's like you're a nutritionist or something.
Well, I'm glad you like them because it was very ambitious for you to try them.
Yeah, 4. That's a lot of recipes. So, what is Pure Life?
The Pure Life is a platform basically to inspire and empower women through a healthy lifestyle and healthy plant-based recipes. And it's just like a fun, collaborative space where I offer my wisdom into a holistic lifestyle.
Awesome. Where can people find that?
They can find me on Instagram at thepurelife or thepurelife.ca.
Lots of great recipes on there and cool vlogs coming up.
Yes, just started a YouTube channel.
Nice. We'll link to that as well in the description. But thank you guys so much for watching. I think we got some awesome recipes here that you guys definitely should try. And leave a comment down below if you try them, or if you got any suggestions for other ones to do, other vegetable smoothies. And we'll put the recipes in the description too, and also link to her blog to find them. So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys.